foil.
Why is it little?
That's just how it is. From the Dollar Tree.
Did it have the little toys? Yep, that's another one. The green toy.
Yeah, I had enough. No, you had enough, baby.
I want to switch. Anyway, yeah. Can I rub it?
No. Your hand's not clean, child.
My hands got paint so it can be magical.
I'm good.
Bad idea. What? Mom, I think that's enough for a big one.
It's late. I should not be eating no brownies, but child, we're gonna eat these brownies. This is what we got. It's definitely got like the whole, you know, edge piece type of feeling. But the inside is super gooey. As you can see, it's gooey, it's soft. It's fire. There's nothing else I can say about it.